species. Leather. Now, for leather sounded better, didn't it? In this quarter, I will be representing a large, red, flaming gorilla.
Uh-oh, it's flaming.
Those of you out there know Miss Gray Babe, he is freaking awesome. All right, let's do this.
Your voice is a little too deep for a flaming gorilla.
What?
Your voice is too deep for a flaming gorilla.
And you have to let them
Yeah, say great things.
Right. 1 eye fly oil. 2 eye fly oil.
Wait a second. I have to point this out, people. I'm playing a flaming gorilla. He's rubbing oil on himself.
You think he's sane?
All right.
Kitty. 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 Kitty.
Jim, can we go lay out on this one?
Kitty. Keep in mind, please, that I'm videoing, so don't stand directly. If you can, if it's necessary, that's fine, but just at the beginnings and stuff, so I can get Mike.
Are you ready? Yep. All right. 3, 2, 1. Murder each other.
Too far. Too bad.
Or 10 foot. Catch four plus a weakness.
All right.
You're welcome.
How did you fall for that?
It was so tantalizing.
You look shiny.
If it excited the gorilla, it would excite me.
Good point, actually.
Nothing was over there, by the way.
Yeah, we know.
Yeah.